Alright, so I'm using my camera so I can actually watch myself go up.
Isn't that cool?
There's a camera in the front, camera in the back, and camera under both side mirrors. So I'm able to see all the way around.
So there's no excuse for driving over curbs
Exactly.
in the new Kia Telluride.
Well, if you haven't noticed, there's this nasty disease called I'm the only one on the planet syndrome.
Yep.
Many people have this mentality, so I like to know what's going on around me.
And what's your name?
I'm Kelly, but if I make you mad, I'm Shelly.
All right, sounds good.
Now we're going over our dried lake. We did have water, but we splashed it all out.
That's all right. This is like your average pothole in Charlotte, North Carolina.
Pittsburgh, you actually disappear.
Yep. Don't hit the Christmas trees.
All right, so we're gonna go over some sand. Take this nice and easy because it's getting pretty choppy. And this is gonna be a kind of a cool photo op. Go right up to the top.
Yeah, breezy sky.
Now the cool thing about this is you can't see what's under you. So I'm gonna put the camera on. Now you can see what's under you.
Isn't that nifty? Check that out.
All right, so everybody hold on.
So you can see who you ran over.
Exactly, because we're gonna jump big over here.
Whee! Yeah, that's way smoother than the rallycross car. You landed, then it's like kaboom! Now it's time to go to the chiropractor.
A little bit softer suspension.
Little bit.
Thank you so much, guys.
Well, thanks, Kelly. We appreciate it. Say hello to Car Chick TV listeners.
Woohoo!